Right. Now, this BC expander, for example, look at everything that's going on. Attack, release, all of these things. I mean, all of that's good, but when you want something very, very simple, right? I tend to go with, some of the stuff that's older. So all I wanted to do is expand it and bring it back, or make it mono, or do whichever way you wanted to do. But all the way over here is mono, and that is an expander. So now I'm bringing in the ho-ho-hos to a spot where they don't interrupt what's going on with ho. So now I've got them sitting in two different places. Now, if I go up here, and let's go with the skank sound. So you got the OOOs that are sitting out in the stereo field quite nicely. And amongst everything else, don't sound bad. You have your piano just going over to a side. You got your soft pad happening. Now we've got a mix going.